Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to draft a pattern for a skirt with godets. So for this pattern you're going to need a skirt block, so I'll link my tutorial for one down below. So to get started you're simply going to want to trace around your skirt block. So on the dart closest to the centre back you're going to draw a straight line from the end of the dart down to the skirt hemline. So on the front now we're going to measure in from the centre front line the same distance as the centre back line to that straight line that you just drew in. And then you're going to mark this with a point and then draw a straight line down the skirt pattern. Now you can continue this line up to the waistline. I stopped at the hips, but I do continue the line up later. So now we're going to move the position of the front dart. So to do this, simply draw a straight line from the centre front line across your skirt, making sure that you hit the end of the dart. So go ahead and measure the width of the dart. So now you need to add this measurement to the line that you've drawn up from the centre front line. So for example, if your dart's 2 centimetres, you're going to mark a point 1 centimetre each side of that line. So once you've them marked in, using a ruler, you're going to join them points down to the line that you've drawn out from the old dart. And then mark out the old dart because that's not there anymore. So now you need to choose the length of your skirt. So I went with 60 centimetres, but you could go longer if you want to. So using a ruler, you're going to continue the lines down to create your new hemline. So now you need to choose where your godets are going to start. So again, this can be as high up or as low down on the skirt as you want to go. So now you're going to mark in the godet points on all of the seams. So as you can see here, I've put one on the line drawn down from the back dart, the side seam for both the front and the back of the skirt, and then the line drawn down from the front dart. Now go ahead and mark each section with a number, and then you're going to begin to cut out your pattern pieces and then remove the centre of the darts, but leave that second back dart alone. Now what I didn't film here is that you're going to have to copy these pattern pieces again in order to add your seam allowance, simply because you've removed the dart, so a seam allowance has to be put in here. So I didn't do it because this is a demonstration. So when you've that done, you should have 4 separate pattern pieces, so you can go ahead and mark in all your information. So now that the skirt pattern is finished, we can now move on to the pattern for the godet. So simply draw a straight line down your sheet and then mark a starting point as 1. So at 1 you're going to measure down the chosen length of your godet and then mark this point as 2. So then draw a straight line out each side of 2. So now you need to choose the width of your godet, and you're going to have equal measurements each side of 2 and then mark these points as 3 and 4. So say your width is 10 centimetres, you're going to have 5 centimetres each side of 2. So using a ruler you're going to draw a straight line up from 3 and 4. So from 3 and 4, you're going to measure up the difference in length between the length of your godet pattern and then the length that you've marked for the godet on the skirt, and mark these points as 5 and 6. So say the length that you had on your skirt was 10 centimetres, but the length of your godet pattern is 12. The difference is going to be 2 centimetres. So now using a ruler, you're going to join points 5 and 6 with 1. Then going in with your curved ruler, you're going to join points 5 and 2 and then 2 and 6. And this is going to finish off the shape of your godet. So now you need to add your seam allowance and cut out your pattern. And don't forget to mark in all your notches on all patterns. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button as it really helps support my channel. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly pattern videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!